How to use negative promotes in the Midjourney. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so now let's get started. First of all, you have to go on your Midjourney server. Now once you're in here, you have to scroll down and select the newcomer room, and here you have to type the \image promote. Here is the Midjourney promote. You have to select this. Now here you have to add all of your requirement, but before adding your requirement you have to add the name. After that you have to type hyphen hyphen, and here you have to add your all the requirements. Once you add it, you have to click on the send, and here you have to accept the TOS. After accepting this, you have to wait for it to create. After that you have to scroll down, and as you can see, here is the negative promote has been created. So yeah, this is how you can use negative promotes in the Midjourney.